Okay, I'm at the Hope House, and I just met Ismael.
Yeah.
And thanks to a friend of mine back in the States, I'm going to keep it anonymous, right? 'Cause he sent me some money via Bitcoin. Sent me some Bitcoin. My first ever Bitcoin transaction is to buy this shirt.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, here we go. He's got it.
Yes, I got it.
So anyway, yeah, I'm going to get a Bitcoin Country shirt. And actually, okay, so my friend, I'm just going to give you Chad Blackburn. I'm gonna get you a shirt with the Bitcoin that you sent me. So you're gonna have a shirt.
Yes.
And I'm gonna ask you now what your size is. So I think I got the right size for you. But yeah, we're at the Hope House in El Salvador, Bitcoin Beach.
Bitcoin Beach.
So what you have here in El Zonte, the beach that's known as Bitcoin Beach now in El Salvador, is you have black sand. Not as weird as I thought it would be. It's just really dark sand. And of course, the weirdest part is that it's very rocky in some parts, and I'll show you that in a minute. But these waves are incredible. The tide is now coming in, so it's coming all the way up to the rocks where these private homes are up here. And so these are the rocks. And you'll notice when I get up here to the private home that we're fortunate to stay at this week, running out of sand. Ooh, and pretty soon I'm going to be running out of something other than water. So look, I'm going to have to walk over these rocks because otherwise I've got my phone in my hand and it's not really deep here, but you know, you don't want to drop your phone if one of these little currents gets a little stronger. You can see my, look at this. Oh, that was nothing. Didn't come that far. Oh, here we go. No, still nothing. Okay, I might have a quick minute here to get home without drowning or dropping my phone in the water. Oh! I got shirts in my hand too, by the way. And now it's almost to my knees. And you hear that? So those rocks are coming back. So the rocks are actually moving. Listen, you can hear those rocks moving. Luckily I have my sandals on. Jeez. All right, I'm gonna have to move to some higher ground here. Not want to drop the phone. Oh boy. Rocks are moving on me. You hear that? Woo! Alright. I'll be back with you in a second, YouTube. Alright. Only took me about 10 seconds of not using my phone to get to higher ground. You can see these rocks are dry and these are wet. And those are moving. And home is there.